On the new 7 nanometer manufacturing process. This means finally Qualcomm joins Apple and Huawei with a 7 nanometer chip.
7 nanometer manufacturing process.
This is a 7 nanometer chip.
So what does nanometers means? What is its significance on battery life and performance? And what it basically is? I'm here to tell you all about that. Hey there, I'm Animesh, you're watching Everything Techie and this is Processor Simplified. Let's get started. So to understand what and how the nanometers or the fabrication process affects the actual performance and the other aspects of a processor, we need to understand how and what a processor is. Since this is Processor Simplified, I'll try to explain to you in something that you'll understand probably. So these are two arrangement of payment blocks. This is the first one and this is the second one. So which one do you think is a better arrangement overall? This one, right? So basically what it means and how it equates or relates to processors is that the payment blocks, the individual blocks that you're seeing are like the transistors on the processor. So the floor here is the processor, whereas the payment blocks are the transistors. So the closed packing of transistors will mean better efficiency and better overall performance. Have you ever wondered how 6 billion transistors would look like, or how much area will it consume to put 6 billion transistors on a sheet of silicon? Well, this is how much. Less than a coin. So basically the distance between two consecutive transistors or two consecutive payment blocks will determine the overall efficiency of the system. In payment blocks, the whole payment, and in processors, the transistors. The distance between two transistors is what the number is. So let's say for Snapdragon 625, the fabrication process is 14 nanometer FinFET. So the distance between two consecutive transistors is 14 nanometers. So what is a nanometer? 1 nanometer is equals to 1 into 10 raised to the power of -9 meters. So that is 1 nanometer. So 14 nanometers will be 0.000 something 14. This will be 14 nanometers in terms of meters. So this is the distance between two transistors in Snapdragon 625, whereas in Helio P60 the fabrication process is 12 nanometer. So it is even further closer. So what are generally the benefits of having lower distance between two consecutive transistors? Battery consumption. The power taken to push the electron or the information from one transistor to another will be less. Now there is resistance in every substance or anything through which current passes. So resistance will be more if the distance through which the current is passing is more. So in a nutshell, two transistors placed closely will let the current flow in a better and efficient manner than two transistors that are far. So second thing, how does it affect heat generation, or how does it affects the thermals? So Joule's law of heat generation or Joule's law of heat states that anything through which current passes, it generates heat. Overall, the heat generation will be less if the fabrication process or the manufacturing process is less. Now the third and most important point, how does it affect performance? How snappy will be a 7 nanometer based processor over a 14 nanometer? Well, again, how much time it requires to push an electron or push an information from one transistor to another. That makes a lot of difference. If two transistors are placed at 7 nanometers, the distance and the time and the power that is required to send the information from one transistor to another will be lesser. Hence you will get less heat because the distance is less. You will get better performance since the distance is less and the electron or the information can transfer faster. And the third thing, battery consumption. I hope you guys like this and found this informative. If you did, make sure to leave a like. Check out my other videos if you want some things you need to know. Processor simplified, last episode there will be a card here. And what have I done? Okay, tech simplified also. And make sure to subscribe and share this video with your friends and whoever you want to share this video with. I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, take care and have a nice day.